Welcome to the low mid budget watch report, and today we are going to unbox the Ocean X. So yeah, it's the Ocean X Sharkmaster. The VSM527 is the reference number, and it's a nice box. This is the box. As you can see, it's the ocean and the shark is shaped like an X. Yeah, I had some problem getting... I had to write the company to get the certificate for this watch because they forgot to pack the certificate. And yeah, that was a little bit annoying, but hey, I got the certificate and I actually just had to write them. Please send me the certificate for the watch. Well, I heard a lot of great about the Ocean X divers, so well, we will see at least how they look when unboxing them. So yeah, this is the box. It's quite an ordinary box with a nice Ocean X logo. Well, let's open this box. And there's another box in the box with an even nicer logo, and the box is very nicely done, almost like a luxury type of box. It's I think it's massive oak. It's really nice. Yes, it's massive oak. It's a really nice wooden box. And yeah, look. This is how boxes should look like when you buy a watch for over $100. And here's the certificate that I had to send an email about. And yeah, it's a nice looking certificate with all the stuff that usually comes with a certificate for a watch. And there's nothing else in the box. That's it. This is the watch. I removed a little bit of the plastic earlier to take a look at the watch. And I will remove all plastic now. It's all plastered up. The pillow is not too comfy pillow. It feels like rubber in the pillow. Well, it's a watch pillow. Nothing out of the ordinary. And yeah, let's remove the plastic from this watch. So much freaking plastic, man. Yeah, and there's actually arrows how to pull off the plastic. Here's that blue plastic that always come with new watches. There's always a lot of different color or no, it's actually always almost that blue plastic. I don't know what it's for really, but I would prefer to get these watches without the plastic wrapped around them. Well, so the plastic is off, and now I will take off also the papers and the blue plastic on the clasp. Let's take a look at this watch. It looks really nice, and that NH35 automatic runs smooth. Yes. And there's some plastic on the back side too. I'll have to remove that. freaking plastic, man. So this is a really a deep diver. It goes like 500, as you can see. You will see later when I take close-up shots, but it's a 500 meter water resistant watch, and the glass is sapphire, so it's really a nice looking watch, and it feels really heavy, and yeah, both the case and the bracelet looks really nice. This is what I expect from a diver. And the case back has the Ocean X logo, which is a really nice logo. And yeah, you will see later when I take a close-up on the watch. And the crown also has the Ocean X logo, and the dial has the Ocean X logo, and it says Vintage Series 500 meter. It's automatic. It's an NH35, as I told you. I will see how it fits. I will take a look how it fits. Let's try it on. It's nice. Yeah, man, it fits really good. Feels heavy, but I like it when the watch is a little bit heavy. And yeah, it's a bit thick. It's a very thick watch, but it's a deep diver, so I guess that has something to do with it. And yeah, it feels good. And the clasp is a pull out like this. Ordinary, normal type of clasp. Well, let's get into the measurements. Well, it's a 40 millimeter watch, and the thickness is 14 millimeter, but it actually is a bit thicker because of the glass. So yeah, it's about 15 millimeters. And between the lugs it's 21 millimeters, so I guess if you're gonna put a NATO to this, it's going to be a 20 millimeter broad NATO band. And from lug end to lug end it's about 48 millimeters, so it's a pretty big watch. As you can see when I put it on the wrist, it's a chunky watch, but not too chunky, not too big, not too chunky. It's all right. And yes, and that's about it. And as you already can see, it's sapphire glass. I think I told you already that it is. And the dial is very nice. It looks like the deep sea when the water turns from blue to very dark. The bracelet is it's a nice bracelet, and the clasp is it's nothing out of the ordinary. It's just a normal bracelet and a normal clasp, as it usually is with these type of watches. And yeah, the bezel is it's a one-way bezel, so you can only screw it against the clock. Yeah, well, let's take a closer look. As you can see, the dial is very nice. You got that blue ocean color when going down, and there's the brushed bracelet with the polished side, and yeah, it's nothing out of the ordinary. And here's the clasp with the Ocean X logo. I love that logo, it's a really nice logo. And here's the back side with the, let's see the back side with the Ocean X logo, and it's a really nice logo. Yeah, I'm really starting, it grows. Yeah, it's nice. And here's the Ocean X on the wrist, and yeah, I still haven't taken the plastic off the glass, but maybe I should do that. And here is the loom, and it looks really nice. Yeah, perfect loom. Nothing to complain about. I can see underwater. Yes. What can I tell you about this watch? I heard a lot of good things about it, that it is really a nice quality watch if you like to dive deep. And yeah, it goes 500 meter down in the ocean. You can have a close encounters with the sharks if you like to. It's the Ocean X, and I actually think, I don't know if it was Exhibit or DMX who had a diver's certificate. I think it's DMX who can scuba dive. I think he has he's dead now, rest in peace. But when he was alive, I think maybe that's how they got their name, Ocean X, or maybe it's the organization Ocean X. I think that's some type of nature preserve organization, save the ocean organization. I think it's a project, Ocean X. So maybe, I don't know if this Ocean X watch is related to the Ocean X project. I have no idea. I know very little about this watch brand. I know very little about this brand, and I had a hard time looking it up, but users of the watch were very happy and pleased with the watch, so that's all that matters. It seems to be a good quality watch, and it's a NH35 movement, and yeah, it's good. It's nothing out of the ordinary. You don't need any better movement. It's great. And the watch looks freaking beautiful. As you can see, there's the blue, and you go down into the black ocean, you wrestle sharks, you have your watch and maybe underwater spear or a knife, and you meet a big white shark, and the only thing that survives is this Ocean X watch. And they will see probably the time when you got eaten by the shark, because you know there's a certain power reserve to these NH35s. So yeah, it's a really nice watch. The price was like, I don't remember if I bought it on sale for, but the price is now around $400, and it's a bit pricey, but it's also, yeah, it's worth it. It's you know, you can dive 500 meter down wrestling sharks, so I guess it's a good price. Not super cheap, but not super expensive. It's okay. I highly recommend this watch if you like divers, and if you really want to go deep, or if you just want to feel like a diver. I will probably try it out in the summertime when I get when I have my vacation. I will have some time off work in August, so I will probably go swim and dive with this, and you know, try it out as much as I can. I will dive with some other watches I got too, but yeah, I'm really looking forward. I'm really hyped about taking this watch under the water, not shark water though. Yeah, what can I say? It's a beautiful watch. It was a beautiful box. Everything was very nice, and the only thing I can complain about is getting the certificate a little bit late. And yeah, I got everything now, and everything is in order, and yeah, see you next time. Peace.